All right, Noah's about to fruit ninja this can. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
Everybody was
Okay, well, I didn't think about that part. That was awesome. We're going bigger, boys. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. That smells amazing.
I ruined one of my favorite shirts. I'm hungry. Let's go get some McGriddles.
I'm down for that.
We're gonna take this?
Of course we're gonna take this.
Is this gonna even make it?
Are you kidding me?
You can't take this on the highway.
Oh, I know some other routes. Don't worry about it.
It'll be an adventure. That's for sure.
Are you ready to go?
Yep.
All right. Get in.
No room in here. Oh, you want to take this path up here? Oh, damn. I don't think we'll make it.
We're gonna go a little off-road before we get back on the road.
Oh, let's hope this thing doesn't break. Here we go. Well, we're a little bit off-road right now, so I'm gonna try to figure this one out.
Oh man. I want those damn McGriddles, man.
Do you even know where we're going? Like, this is kind of...
Oh damn.
I'm in a bush. I'm in a bush. I really hope it's not poison oak or poison ivy. Oh my god, look at this. You think the GoKart's ready for this?
No.
And we'll watch Lenny try to get over this thing. Oh my god. Where the fuck are we? Go ahead, Lenny. Just send it.
Chris?
I mean, serious, yeah.
What if it breaks?
It won't. Oh, fuck. Look at our tire. It's flat. Turn it off. Oh, fucking A, dude. Well, that's not good. The tire's flat, dude. Oh my god.
I guess it wasn't ready. We gotta get to McDonald's.
It's gotta make it to McDonald's. Oh no.
This is not good,
well,
dude.
this is really bad. So you stay here, try to figure it out. I'm gonna go look for help. So I've been walking for the past 7.5 minutes or so, and I don't know where the fuck I am. And of course, I've got no reception on my phone, and we're just on this little trail path, and I found the tire. So, so far, nothing. I think I should probably turn back around now. Damn it! There's a fucking loop.
Noah,
Lenny, I've been gone for like 7.5 minutes.
I need water.
What's wrong with you?
I need water.
Oh my god. Okay, well, they have water at McDonald's. We need to get this tire fixed, or like Mickey Mouse, we get our way back.
Need McDonald's.
Oh Noah, the tire is off the wheel. I know. Oh my gosh.
All right, we're about to see if Noah can just send it back onto the main road. Are you ready?
Let's go.
Okay, we're about like, I don't know, a little ways away. So let's just see if we can make it on this tire.
Next stop, McDonald's. Time for breakfast.
Here we are.
Can I get 2 sausage McGriddles? And can we also do a bacon McGriddle?
A bacon, egg, and cheese McGriddle?
Yeah. That's good. Thank you.
Of course, it's going to come out to a total of 99.
Hi, good morning.
Morning, how you doing?
Thank you. Thank you.
Awesome. Have a good one. Package is secured. Oh yeah. Oh, hot.